Good morning, I'm Anchi Verma, and we have the president of the Warwick Investment Fund joining us, Nikita Golden. Hi, Nikita, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm really good. So I've heard a lot about this investment fund. Can you please give me a bit more insight?
Yeah, so people ask me lately a lot about this investment fund, and I try to be as concise as possible. And I tell them what the three core driving values, because they summarize the fund, I think. So it's about unity, responsibility, and legitimacy. Now, it sounds a bit cheesy, but it actually makes a lot of sense. So unity, as in you're in a team. Like you can't just do, you can be stubborn about like one single trade and go full ahead. You have to consult all your team members. You have to merge all those cultural, academic backgrounds together and really add value through all those viewpoints. The other point is responsibility. Like responsibility as in you're responsible for your trade. You can't just be, I don't know, I think this gold is going to go up, let's buy some gold. You have to do your fundamental and your technical analysis. You have to back it up with something. And finally, legitimacy. Now, we're a virtual fund, but however, we try to recreate the real markets as far as possible. So we use the Bloomberg terminal and we look at, for instance, liquidity, bid-ask spreads, and contract sizes. Because let's say, I don't know, you bought some exotic stock and you want to get rid of it the next day, but there's no liquidity in the market for it. You can just, I don't know, put it off your books, obviously.
Yeah. That sounds great. Since the investment fund is relatively new, what are your goals for the future?
So our main goal right now is transparency. We try to be big through being public, basically. Okay. We constructed a website recently, which will post all our trades. Like everybody can have a look at it. Everybody can read up the wrap-ups that we post weekly. And we also do public seminars every second week, fortnightly seminars. And the teams come up and speak about the trading methodology. They speak about what their trades were based on. They compare with other teams. So yeah, and the thing I'm most proud of is those videos, basically. Because we use the internet in such a way that we can add value to the community, to the broad community, not just in university. But for example, somebody in South America can sit right now and watch this video and learn from it.
So add global value. That's amazing. How big is the fund, though? How many members do you have currently?
Yeah, so we have three asset classes covering, commodities, equities, and foreign exchange. And last year we had one team per asset class. Now this year we split it. Each team was split, and let's say veteran members, they recruit new members. Fresh people like first years even, who don't know that much in markets. And so basically there's this downwards going knowledge. So we create a legacy basically. Every year the staying members, they recruit new people and teach them what they learned.
Can you give me a bit more insight on these asset classes?
Sure, absolutely, but we'll have 3 additional videos about that. The heads of every asset class will talk more in depth about like the market dynamics and everything else.
Okay, that's incredible. Honestly, I feel like this is an amazing platform for all the members. It gives them a real life feel of investments. I wish you all the luck with this. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much, Anchi.